So I put down all the food and they follow me anyways. So I don't put food down anymore. I put it in one place. There's enough for 10 cats. But they continue to follow me, and so at the end of the feeding, I usually have 20 million piles of cat food all over. So I stopped doing that, and I just leave it in one place. Because I noticed putting all these little piles of food every time they follow me, usually they continue to follow me, they don't eat it anyway. And then the birds go and eat it, so now I just leave it in one place. And they have to learn that the food is there. They're all wondering what happened now. But if they want, there's food that I left for Pantaloon, and Sergione. So they can go eat that food also, because there was enough food for a few cats there too. There's Pantaloon. She's missing a bunch of fur. And Cielo.